I'm the fourth generation of advanced series glass tempering furnace from North Glass. I've been thinking about how to make heating more efficient. How to make temperature control more accurate. How to make heating more symmetrical and faster. Thinking about how to make convection structure more stable and reliable. How to make convection air blowing more uniform and efficient. How to get better gapless result in the lower furnace. Thinking about how to make cooling system more efficient. How to make blower rating Class 1 energy efficiency. How to optimize the working point of the blower. How to make the chiller more stable and reliable. How to get faster and more even heat dissipation from glass. How to reduce the anisotropy effect on tempered glass. Thinking about how to make HMI more user-friendly and powerful. How to keep myself up to date with technological developments. How can I get better? And much better. I'm your new partner.